Welcome back, boys and girls. What we're going to be working on right now is the commutative property of addition. That's a huge word, commutative. Commutative, 4 syllables, my goodness. And basically what the commutative property means is that if I have 3 on this side, if I have 4 on this side, 3 plus 4 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. Now let's switch them. I'm going to switch the 3 over here, and I'm going to switch the 4 over here. Okay? What's 4 plus 3 again, or 3 plus 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's all it means. It means that if we have 2 numbers, we can switch them around, and we're going to have the same answer. So, in your workbook, we have matching here. And the problems are already solved for you. So all you really need to do is to find 0 plus 2. If we switch those, that's going to be a 2, that's going to be a 0, so we're looking for 2 plus 0 equals 2. Do you see it on this side? Ah, it's right there. So you're just going to put a line straight ahead. Now let's look for 0 plus 10 equals 10. If I switch them, it's going to be 10 plus 0 equals 10. So let's look for 10 plus 0. Ah, there it is. So I'm going to put a line right there. Now let's look at the next one. We have 0 plus 20 equals 20. So I'm going to switch them. 20 plus 0 equals 20. Is there a 20 plus 0 somewhere here? Ah, there it is, 20 plus 0. So I'm going to connect it right there. We're doing some matching. The next one is 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 equals 6. If I switch these 2 numbers, it's going to be 5 plus 1 equals 6. Do I see a 5 plus 1 here? Ah, there it is. So I'm going to connect it there. Now let's look at 1 plus 11 equals 12. If I switch these 2 numbers, we're going to have 11 plus 1 equals 12. Do I see an 11 plus 1? Ah, there it is. 11 plus 1 equals 12. And let's do the next one, the last one. 1 plus 13 equals 14. Let's switch these 2 numbers. It's going to be 13 plus 1 equals 14. Do I see a 13 plus 1? Ah, there it is. 13 plus 1 equals 14. And let's connect it there. So boys and girls, you're going to go ahead and you're going to do the rest by yourself. And we're working on the commutative property. Remember, if we have 2 numbers, all we need to do is switch them around and we're going to have the same answer. Is that cool or what? That means if you know what 6 plus 10 is, you also know what 10 plus 6 is. That means if you know what 2 plus 5 is, you also know what 5 plus 2 is. So go ahead and enjoy. Remember, do the matching. You're going to do sets 1 and 2. And once you're done, we'll see you at the next video.